All right, Algebra 1 EOC Practice Test Session 2. It says, Tony moved to a new house and wants to install a pool and landscape the yard. He will hire a company to manage the landscaping. Tony is considering hiring Company A or Company B. Company A and Company B's landscaping costs are shown in the tables below. So here's Company A, yard size in square feet. If it was 300 square feet, it's going to cost $7.50, and then so forth. And here's Company B. Number 1, it says, Tony is reseeding the front lawn. The lawn covers 2,500 square feet, and grass seed is $15.98 for each 7 pound. Each pound of grass seed covers 150 square feet. How much will it cost to reseed the lawn? Show all work. Enter the cost and work into the box below. So keep in mind, on this session, they want you to enter in all of your work into this box, and you will type that into your computer. So first thing we need to find out, each bag is 7 pounds, but now they broke it up. Each pound covers 150 square feet. So I need to find how many square feet a whole bag is. So 150 times 7 pounds equals, plug it in, 150 times 7, that's 1,050 square feet per bag. Okay, if my yard is 2,500 square feet, I need to see how many bags will it take. So I'm going to divide by 1,050. So 2,500 divided by 1,050. And I get, this is an estimation, so I can use this little squiggly line, 2.38. That's what I'll type in, 2.38. So I am rounding. Okay, so I would need 2.38 bags of seed. Okay, now I cannot go to the store and ask for 2.38 bags. Okay, if I get 2 bags, if I round down, if I get 2 bags, it's not going to cover the whole yard. So I need to round up 3 bags needed. So we want to show how much will it cost altogether. If I buy 3 bags and each bag is $15.98, I'm going to multiply those. So 3 times 15.98 equals 47.94. And this is money. So this is our total. Number 2. Says the following question has 3 parts. First, answer part A. Second, answer part B. Then answer part C. Compare the landscaping cost between Company A and Company B. Let C represent the landscaping cost in dollars and S the size in square feet. So instead of Y equals MX plus B, we're going to have MS plus B. M will still be our slope, B will still be our y-intercept. We're just using different variables. Part A, write an equation to model what it would cost if Company A was hired. Enter the correct equation in the box. So this one we just have to enter the equation in. So Company A, on your EOC, this would probably be like a split screen problem where you can toggle between making one size bigger than the other. Company A, I am going to enter in Company A's equation into my calculator. Just shorter steps, I can find the line of regression for this equation pretty quick. So if I press Stat, Enter, L1 is going to be my yard size, my X. So 300, 980, 1200, and 2000. My cost is going to be my y, so 7.5, 24.5, 30, and 50. Stat, arrow over to calculate. Linear regression, so option 4. Enter. Okay. I'm missing the r. If I wanted to find the correlation coefficient, so how well that equation fits to make sure it's perfect, I could turn on my diagnostic second 0, arrowing down to diagnostic on, enter, enter, and back to stat, arrow over to calculate, option 4, enter all the way through. So r is 1, so I know this fits perfectly. So where a is, that's our m. So our first equation is c equals 0.025 s, and our y-intercept is 0. So it would be plus 0, but we don't technically need that. Okay, so that tells me it costs $0.025, so a little bit over 2 cents per square foot. Company B, so let's press stat, enter. Arrowing up to L1, press clear, enter. Well, that was L2. Arrowing up to L1, clear, enter. Entering in company B now for 900, 1100, and 1500. L2 will be my cost, $16, $23.50, so 23.5, 26.5, and 32.5. Enter. Always double check that you've entered them incorrectly. Okay, now stat, arrow over to calculate, option 4, enter 5 times. And here we have our new line. R equals 1, this tells you it fits perfectly. So, is this write an equation to model what it would cost for company B? We have C equals 0.015 S plus, it's plus because this 10 is positive, plus 10. So company A, they have no base fee. You just have to pay 0.025 per square foot. Company B has a base fee of $10, so right up front you have to pay them $10, but you pay less per square foot, 0.015. All right. Company C, or sorry, not company C, part C. It says, which company would cost Tony the least amount to landscape 2,500 square feet, so his front yard? Explain your answer. Enter the correct answer and explanation into the box. On EOC, you can make this box bigger. It doesn't say you have to show all your work, but I'm going to show my work in this box just so you can see it all. So company A, to find out how much it would cost if I had a yard that was 2,500 square feet, I'm going to plug that in for S, size. So the cost is 0.025 times 2,500. Plug that into your calculator, 0.025 times 2,500, and we get 62.5. Remembering that this is money, it should be a money sign in front, and 62.50, it's 50 cents. Now let's check company B. Company B is 0.015 times 2,500 plus 10. Plug that into your calculator. Plus 10. Do not forget the plus 10. And we get $47.50. Now explain your answer. Enter the correct answer and explanation. So we don't technically need to show this work to them, but we need to say company B would cost the least, or maybe you could say company B because the fee is $47.50, and that is the less expensive company or fee, whatever you want to say. Okay, it was really in your own words. This is going to be hand graded by someone the state hires. Flip it over. Number 3 says, at how many square feet will both companies cost the same amount? So if I want to see when they are equal, I'm going to set their equations equal to each other. So 0.025s equals 0.015s plus 10. So this is just a two-step equation. I'm going to get my s's on the same side, so minus 0.015s minus 0.015s. I'm balancing my equation. On the left side, 0.025 minus 0.015 is 0.01s equals. On the right side, my s's cancel each other out, and I'm left with 10. I need to get s alone. 0.01 and s are being multiplied, so I need to divide by 0.01 on both sides. S equals 10 divided by 0.01 is 1,000. So the size is at 1,000 square feet. So I type in 1,000 into that box. Okay, the last question is a little bit different. So this is a brand new data. It says Tony is installing a rectangular pool in the backyard. So I'm going to start sketching as I'm reading. So rectangular pool. Looks something like that. Just know that it has to be rectangular. The pool needs to have a length of 10 feet more than the width. Okay, the backyard, so now they're done talking about the pool. So they did not tell me what the width looks like, so I'm just going to call that W. Now they told me the length has to be 10 feet more than. So more than tells me addition and reverse the order. So 10 goes behind the plus sign, more than the width, so it's just W plus 10 for our length of the pool. Okay, the backyard is a square shape. So square around this looks something like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, we're just sketching it. And what do I know about squares? I know that squares, all of the sides should be the same length. It says the backyard is a square shape with each side measuring 5 feet more than, so plus 5, something plus 5. 5 feet more than 3 times the width of the pool. 3 times the width is 3W. Write an expression for the area surrounding the pool after the pool is installed. So I need to find the area of this region around the pool. Okay, show your work. Enter the correct expression and work into this box. Okay, recall that area equals length times width. I need to find the area of the whole backyard and take out the area of the pool. If he's going to landscape, he doesn't want to pay for landscaping fees for where that pool is going to go. So, to find the area of the whole yard, area of yard. So that is 3W, and the other side of this yard is going to be, 3W plus 5. The other side of this yard is also going to be 3W plus 5. So area, length times width, 3W plus 5 times 3W plus 5. And I'm going to take away the area of the pool. So that is W times W plus 10. So minus W times W plus 10. All right, now let's start to simplify. On the left side, I'm going to do that first. 3W times 3W is 9W squared. 3W times 5 is plus 15W. 5 times 3W is plus 15W. and 5 times 5 is plus 25. Okay, now negative W, distributing that, I have negative W times W, which is negative W squared, or negative 1W squared. Negative W times 10 is negative 10W. From here, I could absolutely simplify these W's, okay, or I could just start simplifying in chunks. Either way you want to. Okay, so I have a W squared and a W squared. Combining like terms, 9 minus 1 is 8W squared. Now I have W's and another W. 15 plus 15 is 30, minus 10 is 20. So plus 20W. And now I have this 25, a constant term that has nothing to combine with, so I drop it down as plus 25. That is the area around the pool in the backyard. If they finally told me what the width was, I could figure out the whole area that I'm working with, and I could figure out the dimensions of the pool and the yard. Final answer.